Hisab Kitab, Bhutan's smart business backbone. Every day across Bhutan, thousands of small businesses open their doors with hope and determination. From grocery stores in Thimphu to workshops in Phuan Choling and salons in Paro, business owners work hard to serve their customers and grow their dreams. They buy goods, sell products, and manage stock. Yet when it comes to keeping accounts, many are still relying on notebooks, calculators, and scattered records. But business today is changing fast. With GST implementation in 2026, managing accounts manually will no longer be enough. Without proper digital records, it becomes difficult to track profits, control inventory, or manage taxes. Stock mismatches, calculation errors, and missing financial data can slowly reduce business growth without the owner even realizing it. This is where Hisab Kitab comes in. Introducing Hisab Kitab, a powerful cloud-based accounting and business management system designed specifically for Bhutan's MSME community. Simple to use, secure, and built for real business needs, Hisab Kitab helps business owners manage their entire operation from one smart platform. With Hisab Kitab, billing becomes quick and professional. Generate invoices instantly with GST-ready formats and QR code support. Inventory updates automatically with every sale and purchase, so you always know what is in stock and what needs to be reordered. No more guesswork, no more manual calculations. Understanding your business performance becomes effortless. With just one click, you can see your daily sales, expenses, and profit reports. Make confident decisions using accurate financial data instead of assumptions. Hisab Kitab works seamlessly on both mobile and computer, giving you access to your business anytime and anywhere. Your data stays safe and secure cloud servers with automatic backup and controlled user access. As Bhutan prepares for GST implementation in 2026, Hisab Kitab ensures your business is ready. The system automatically organizes tax records, generates compliance-ready reports, and simplifies financial documentation. What once required complex accounting processes can now be managed easily through one smart dashboard. Hisab Kitab is already trusted by thousands of businesses because it is built with simplicity in mind. You do not need accounting expertise to use it. If you can run your business, you can run Hisab Kitab. Installation is simple and affordable. You receive continuous updates, support, and system improvements. Free training and local support ensure that every business owner can confidently start their digital journey. Manual records belong to the past. Smart businesses are moving toward digital management. Hisab Kitab helps you know your profit every day, control your inventory, prepare for GST, and build a stronger financial future. Do not wait for change to force your business to adapt. Prepare today. Digitize your business operations. Lead with confidence in the new digital economy. Hisab Kitab, Bhutan's trusted business companion.